The Amazing JoeJoe here, and today we're going to make a vegan tuna fish sandwich fit for television on a segment we call Lifestyles of the Starving Artist.
When JoeJoe gets his TV show.
1 can heart of palm. We're going to take one of these out. We'll shred it lengthwise, like so. And then into tuna fish sized chunks, which we're going to put into some vegan mayonnaise. Now for this we're going to add some onion and celery. And I got a lot of mayonnaise in this, so I'm going to go ahead and add one of the smaller palm hearts. It shreds pretty easy. It's mostly the outer shell that you need to shred. The inside shred pretty much on their own. There we go. And we'll just add this to some bread. If you want, you could put some paprika or Old Bay on it. And the question is, does it taste like tuna fish? Actually, it tastes better than tuna fish. This is more like crab meat or lobster meat even. Let's put this on a hoagie, jazz this up, give it the respect it's due. These are salad cut hearts of palms here. They're a little shorter, a little bit cheaper, and we will cut some of these in half. You could set these on a serving tray with, say, broccoli, cauliflower, little toothpicks, maybe some seafood sauce or some ranch dressing. You know, it could be a dorb at a party. Now, for this, we're going to put on some toppings. You can put whatever you want on it. Anything you put on your sub at the sandwich shop, you can put on your heart palm sub. Lettuce, tomato, pickles, green peppers, olives, salt, pepper, oil, vinegar. And we want to make sure we get some of the vegan mayonnaise on this and make us up a sub. The bread is your canvas. The food is your palette. You are an artist. Make it look good and make it taste good. And here we have it, one vegan heart of palm sub. If you don't know what a heart of palm is, I'm going to link to a tour of a farm in Hawaii, a heart of palm farm, where you can see that it's a sustainable, renewable agricultural resource. If you compare that to how the animal products are made from something like Paul McCarthy's Glass Walls video, you would see why I would want to eat this over something that comes from the dairy or the fish industry. Price-wise, it doesn't have vegan health food stamped all over the can, so it's priced the same as most other vegetables. It costs about the same as a can of tuna fish, really. I am the Amazing JoeJoe. You're watching Lifestyles of the Starving Artist on my new YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and tell all of your friends that you saw me on television. Thanks for watching.
When JoeJoe gets his TV